Hamis Kiggundu amanyiddwa nga Hamu yabakolera oluguudo olwali lumaze ebbanga nga luli mu mbeera embi n'aluyiwako koolansi n'abawonya enfuufu bwe batyo ne basalawo oluguudo luno balutuume erinnya lye Hamis Kiggundu Road Kawuku.
We recognize him because he was the one who started the construction of this road the way it is now. This road was too dusty, too muddy, and everything that you can see with this road. So when he came in, he worked on the road. Today, he was joined in by the KCC, and the road is very clear. This is a miracle road. We are very happy. So we recognize him for that. And also his contribution. He supports everyone here.
Nebaliwayo kati ekkubo liri mikono gya State Council kati bye byabwe byabalema okukola baleka abavubuka abato abeesobola abatukolera ebintu ebirungi tubayiseemu. Oluguudo okuva wansi paka waggulu. Ebitaala mu wiiki nga 2 bigenda kutandika okwaka.
Ndi Sandra Kahunde Yagaba wamu ne munnange Wycliffe Mudachi.